Number 1. 1983 Ford F250, price $8,500, showing just 66,000 original miles. The truck is equipped with a 7.5L V8 engine paired with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. Finished in an off-white exterior, it presents in very nice, largely original condition. The vehicle was owned by the seller's grandfather and was never used as a work truck. It was primarily driven locally and carefully maintained throughout its life. Due to age, the family is now parting with vehicles that are no longer being driven. The truck retains its original blue California license plates, confirming California ownership since new. The low mileage is evident, with a remarkably clean engine bay that still features original factory decals. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck is equipped with a 305 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and has 92,000 miles on the odometer. It runs on gasoline and features a red exterior with a matching red interior. Originally from Virginia, the truck spent most of its life in South Carolina, which has helped preserve it in excellent condition with no rust. The truck runs and drives very well and remains largely original, including the factory paint, with the only modification being the mirrors. There are minor scratches on the front bumper and the top of the driver's side fender. Overall, this is a very clean and well-maintained truck that retains its original character. Number 3. 1999 Dodge Dakota, price $7,000. It has only 141,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and is powered by the reliable 5.2-liter Magnum V8 engine. The truck features a purple exterior, while the interior is in excellent condition and very clean, showing minimal wear for its age. Overall, the exterior has only minimal rust for a 26-year-old truck. Any visible white spots were previously sanded down to bare metal and treated with a rust-preventative primer. The truck rides on fairly new Goodyear Wrangler tires with plenty of tread remaining and also includes a new bed cover. In recent weeks, several important components have been upgraded, including the front upper and lower ball joints, outer tie rods, power steering pump and gearbox, evap purge solenoid, oil pressure sender, spark plugs, and brake pads. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This truck is equipped with a C, power steering, and power brakes. The truck has been worked on over the past year and features many new parts. It runs a 350 engine with a TH350 automatic transmission and has a clear title, but the engine likely needs a rebuild or replacement, as it smokes when driven and occasionally rattles. Trailering is recommended, with delivery available for a fee. It has a rust-free bed, new tailgate, inner fenders, and passenger side fender, finished in hot rod black paint. Other updates include restored rally wheels with new tires, new carpet and dash, original GM seat and belts, refreshed brakes with new booster, master cylinder, and lines, new shocks, and new underhood wiring. Number 5. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,950, clean title classic truck with 159,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable 5.3L Vortec gasoline engine. The truck features a tan exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a timeless and well-kept appearance. The vehicle runs and drives great, with cold air conditioning and a fully functional heater. There are no check engine lights on and no oil leaks, reflecting its solid mechanical condition. It also comes with a Sony DAN Bluetooth audio system, 20-inch honeycomb wheels, a dual muffler exhaust, and heated leather seats, adding both comfort and style. Overall, this GMC Sierra 1500 is a well-maintained classic truck that combines strong performance, comfort, and clean presentation, making it a great option for daily driving or as a collectible pickup. Number 6. 1971 Ford F100, price $8,500. It is powered by a 360 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it shows approximately 82,000 original miles. The truck is finished in a gold exterior color with a matching gold interior, giving it a distinctive and period-correct appearance. The vehicle is equipped with power steering and air conditioning, which add to its drivability and comfort, especially for daily use. It runs and drives well and is currently being used as a daily driver. The engine has been upgraded with an Edelbrock intake manifold, a Demon carburetor, and a MagnaFlow exhaust system, providing improved performance and a strong, classic V8 sound. Mechanically, everything functions as it should with the exception of the radio. The truck still wears its original paint, which has faded over time and shows its age, adding to its classic character. Rust is minimal, making this F100 a solid example for its year. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,300, solid and well-maintained pickup powered by a 350 V8 engine with an automatic transmission and 2WD. The truck has only 70,000 miles on the odometer and features a white exterior paired with a gray interior. It has recently received many updates, including new tires, brakes, battery, alternator, brake lines, thermostat, heater core, blower motor, a new trailer hitch, and a toolbox with keys. A full coolant flush has also been completed. Overall, the truck is in good condition for its age, with the only noted issue being somewhere on the passenger side cab corner. The air conditioning is currently not working. With its low mileage, automatic transmission, and dependable drivetrain, the Chevrolet 2500 would make an excellent work truck. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. Number 8. 1965 Chevrolet C10, price $6,950. It is powered by an original 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck features an orange exterior complemented by a gray interior, which suits its timeless style. It runs and drives properly, and several new parts have recently been installed on the engine to improve reliability. To preserve its original appearance, a patina clear coat was recently applied, maintaining the truck's aged and rugged look while protecting the finish. This C10 would be an excellent candidate for a 1970s style truck build or classic truck rallies. The vehicle comes with a clean and current title, registered in the owner's name, making it ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 9. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,300. It has 190,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, gasoline engine, and a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It has been well maintained, runs strong, starts easily, and has no mechanical issues. The truck has mainly been used for commuting and camping, making it suitable for daily driving, work, towing, or outdoor use. This truck is a second-owner vehicle, with consistent maintenance and service records from both owners. Recent maintenance includes ignition and sensor replacements, routine servicing, cooling system updates, smooth shifting transmission, and a fully functional manual 4WD system. Number 10. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000. This truck has 219,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a 4.3L V6 engine with 4x4 capability. The truck is equipped with a newly installed 4.3L engine. The transmission is currently bad, however, a replacement transmission is included with the truck. It has a few minor dings consistent with age. The door pins need to be installed, and the parts are included. The air conditioning needs a recharge but still blows cold, while the heater works properly. The tags are expired but already paid and only require a smog check. It also comes with a new exhaust system, featuring a Flowmaster 40 muffler with dual pipes exiting out the back.